was aiming at the little bit of text in between the two lower balls, it went straight through the text. I thought, fucking hell, second bullet went straight to the foot. The ball on that is terrific. I had to say the ergos are far better than the
There we go.
but it fits a normal human being, you know, someone who doesn't look like you.
There we go. How do I stop it?
Is that why it's awkward for me?